Namaste and welcome to the course on project management for delivering CDMO projects in pharma and chemical industries. I am Ravindra, your faculty, a corporate speaker and a consultant and a founder of PMSoft. For over last 25 years, I have worked across IT, AI, and regulated pharmaceutical environments. I have helped organizations to deliver complex, high-risk CDMO initiatives where timelines are tight, cost is challenging, and compliance is non-negotiable, and clients' trust is everything. As you are aware, in the CDMO world, there are consistent patterns. CDMO projects don't really fail because of science or capability. They struggle because delivery decisions, governance, and expectations are not managed well across client and CDMO boundaries. This course is built from the real CDMO delivery experience and not a textbook project management course. CDMO projects are different. They are outsourced, contract driven, multi stakeholder, multi geographical, multicultural, and constantly evolving. In this course, you will learn how project management actually changes when you move from a typical internal new product development pharma or chemical projects to CDMO delivery for a customer, which starts from the RFPs and feasibility, having challenges with tech packs, then going through the tech transfers, scale up, and commercial manufacturing. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand how the CDMO business really works and why delivery expectations differ as compared to typical product development projects. You will gain clarity on CDMO business models, partnership dynamics, and the strategic role CDMOs play across pharma and chemical value chain. You will also be able to interpret the CDMO contracts, engagement models, and pricing structures to anticipate delivery and commercial risks. You will learn how MSAs, work orders, tech transfer agreements, and pricing model such as capacity reservation, fee for service directly influence the timeline, scope, and execution behavior. You will also learn to manage the end-to-end CDMO project lifecycle with realistic planning and decision discipline. We will cover how feasibility, proposal, tech transfer, development, and commercial manufacturing connect and where delivery risks typically emerge. Also, this course should help you to drive predictable outcomes and customer confidence by aligning science, operations, quality, and business priorities. You will learn to apply practical project management approaches to reduce surprises, improve cross-functional coordination, and strengthen long-term sponsor relationship. I'm sure this course will add practical knowledge to your experience and you will be able to manage the CDMO projects more effectively. Wish you all the best and happy learning. Thank you for your time.